Hi, so today we're going to be going over cubing notation. So that's which way you turn it. So for algorithms, because if it says L prime, you have to know which way is L prime and which way is X and all those. So that's what we're going over today. And so we're going to start with the simplest of them, which is R move. So that's just moving the right side up. So R is up on the right side, and R prime is down on the right side. The next move is U. U is moving the top layer to the left, so taking your right pointer finger and moving the top layer. Then U prime would be the left pointer finger, and you'd go the opposite direction. The next is the F move, so you're also going to take your pointer finger for this, and for the normal F move, you're going to take your right pointer finger and bring the front face down. And for the F prime, there's many ways you can do it. You can take your right thumb and do it, or you can take your left pointer finger to do it. I think left thumb or right thumb is the best. Okay, so now here are some of the more forgettable ones. There's the L move, which is actually moving the left side down, because when it doesn't have the apostrophe or the prime in cubing, it's always clockwise. When it has the prime, like R prime, you always move it counterclockwise. So the L move is moving the left side down, and L prime would be moving it up. Now the D move would be moving it with your left ring finger, moving the bottom layer to the right, so the opposite direction of the U move. And then D prime would be with your right ring finger, moving the same direction as a normal U move. So the last normal turns would be a B move. So a B move is taking, I don't know what finger, probably your ring finger, and moving the back layer to your left, just as an R prime or an F prime. And the B prime would be moving your right ring finger, and that would be at the same direction as an F, but on the other layer. So whenever you see a 2 next to it, say R2, that means you just move that side 2 times. It doesn't matter which direction, because you'll always get to the same space. So you can do F2, you can do D2, L2, D2. Now the next thing is when it has a lowercase, which is a wide move, or it has a W in it, so UW would be moving the first 2 layers instead of moving the bottom layer. This is used so if you think it'd be a D move, instead of doing a D move and then rotating the cube, you could just do a lowercase u or a UW move, and you would already be in that place, so it's faster. And so that goes with everything. So you can do R, like lowercase R prime, and all of that. Now there's cube rotations, which are with X, Y, and Z. So starting with X is moving the cube up, like twisting the entire cube. So say if you're facing the blue side and yellow is facing up, if you do one X move, the blue is facing up and the white is facing towards you. And so X prime would be the opposite of that, where if yellow is facing up and blue is facing towards you, yellow would face towards you and green would face towards you. The next move is called a Y move. So that's moving it horizontally. And so for a Y move, a normal Y move, you would turn the cube so you see the face that is on the left side of the face that you're looking at. So if green is facing towards me and yellow is facing towards the top, I would turn it one Y move and red is now facing me. So Y prime would be the opposite, and if yellow's on top and green's facing me, then if I turn the cube once Y prime, then I'll be facing the orange side. The next move is a Z move, which is not as frequent as the X and Y moves. It's where you turn it to the side, not up or right and left. You I don't know how to describe it. It's following like the same direction as F. So it's an F move, but with the entire cube. So a Z is the entire cube doing an F move, and a Z prime would be doing an F prime move. So then there's slices, which is the last thing. An M slice would be the same direction as an L move. So that's moving, so if this is an L move, an M slice would be taking that. You'll be taking the middle between the R and the L, and you'll be in the same direction as an L. And then if for an M prime, you'll be doing the same direction as an R move or an L prime move. E moves, which is moving the middle layer between the U and D moves. So an E move is the same direction as a D move or a U prime move, and an E prime would be the same direction as a U move. And S moves are the same direction as F or B prime, and then S prime would be the same direction as F prime or B. And so for these, there's also like M2 or E2 or S2. And so yeah, that's it. Hope you learned something from this video, and see you next time.